There's a lot of different training, especially for all the different brands we have. My name's Lochlann Davies. I'm a fourth year apprentice at CEA in Sydney branch. CEA is Construction Equipment Australia. We are a dealership for 5 different brands: JCB, Dynapack, Atlas Copco, Comptech and Ditchwitch. We sell machines and also do repairs for them. Day to day, I usually come in and work on a variety of different brands of machines. Some days servicing, some days fixing minor problems. There's a lot of different training, especially for all the different brands we have. And our biggest, like excavators, loaders, like a lot of variety. The favourite thing about working here is bunch of boys you work with. Like, they're good mates, good banter around everyone. There's good family here. Like working on big machines. It's always fun, challenging as well, and going out on the field, experiencing what they do and how they work. One thing my goal is being out in the field once I'm fully qualified. And yeah, working all around New South Wales and working all the different big brands we have here.